ready to head home. Very happy about it. And I got everything I need, including, this is a weird one, this is gauze, medical gauze. I thought I had some, but I didn't. I should have a whole medical kit at home, and I don't because it's gotten used up over the years. But I'm going to wrap this around the microphone on my camera instead of toilet paper, and that should break the wind. About like 6 packages. So I can do some tests. I can check out this video and see if it was affected by wind, even though it's not a very windy day right now. Microphones are very sensitive to wind. And I can wrap it up and maybe wrap it up with 3 of them and then see if I should add another 3 and test that. We shall see. I'm sitting in a really nice spot in the shade where this tree is actually built right into this brick wall, or they built the brick wall around the tree, obviously. So we'll see what happens. I also got something else that's kind of weird. Like you may have noticed, I look like Gandalf, apparently. That's what I've been told. I should rewatch those movies, and apparently I was a famous actor. But I got a hair dinghy. I use these normally to close up plastic over the gas cans I have because the tops on the gas cans I couldn't buy anywhere. I think I saw that Amazon now sells them, so I might buy some. But I'm getting pretty used to just putting plastic over it and putting a hair dinghy. In this case, I want to put it on my hair because it's hot. It's really hot. And so, if I put my hair back, maybe it will get the hair off my neck. And maybe that will keep me a little bit cooler. Just a tiny bit. I have thought about cutting all my hair off, and I still might, but why should I? I think it's funny. I think the beard's funny. It's a luxury to have a disguise built on your face. One of the very few benefits of being a man is you got a toy on your face. And some chicks like guys with beards for some reason. Maybe because we look more obviously masculine. You know, it's a sexual differentiation thing or something. Anyway, I'm going to go up the hill now. Big fun. I'm having such a great day today. It does not take much to make me happy.